I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Google credentials. Sign in and open Earth Studio. Create a new project and pick a template if you want speed, or start blank to control every move. Set resolution and duration, 1920x 1080 and length that matches your edit. Next, add a location. Paste coordinates or load a KML to anchor the scene. Once done, position the initial camera and set a keyframe so your timeline has a starting point. This avoids surprises later. Now you build motion. Place keyframes for position, zoom, heading, and tilt. You should stagger changes, animate heading first, then zoom, because it reads smoother on screen. Use easing handles to avoid robotic speed shifts. Add overlays or custom imagery and match their timing to camera movement so elements stay legible. For complex moves, use camera tools like orbit and point-to-point. They create natural arcs and dolly effects. Make sure to preview often at real-time speed to catch jarring cuts or clipping. When you're ready, open render settings and pick format and codec that fit your edit. MP4 for quick edits, image sequence for compositing. Set frame rate to 24 or 30 FPS and confirm resolution. Export to drive or download locally. Pre-render any heavy, long segments to save time. If you see jitter, smooth, or spread keyframes, if imagery is missing, relink assets and re-import KML. Finally, make a short test render first, so you can fix problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.